If you're getting the annoying error message saying the application was unable to start correctly on a Windows PC, don't stress. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix it easily. Let's get started. Turn on .NET features. First, open your Start menu and type Control Panel. Click to open it. Make sure View UI is set to Category. Click on Programs, then select Turn Windows Features on or off. At the top, find both .NET Framework boxes and make sure they are checked. If they are not checked, tick both boxes and click OK. A pop-up will ask to download the files. Choose the top option to let Windows do it. Wait a few minutes for it to finish. Check if the error is fixed. Delete all the X input files. If the problem is still there, try this one. Open Files Explorer. Scroll down and open the Windows folder. Scroll down again and open System32. Look for a file called xinput at the bottom. Right-click it and select Delete. Then go back one folder, scroll down and open SYS 64. Again, find xinput, right-click and delete it too. Reinstall DirectX. Next, open your web browser and search for download DirectX. Now click Download. Open the DX Web Setup file, uncheck the Bing bar option if you don't want it, then click Next and follow these steps until it's installed. Finally, open your Start menu, type Settings and open it. On the left, click Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any updates you see. And that's it. If you followed all these steps, that annoying error should be gone and your app should open normally again. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.